Welcome back to another episode. So what we have in front of us today is a 16 kilowatt Generac generator. And what we're going to do is take it apart because this was one of those projects that I inherited and I never got around to finishing it. So instead of having to take up all this room for all this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the engine along with the generator and salvage what we can. So these things have a little bit of complexity to them. What we're trying to do is just dismount all of the control and information center wiring, and so that way we can get into the meat and potatoes of it. And so these are the power control, and you can see there's some sort of like Hall effect sensor or current sensing device here that's tied into the IC system. So these connectors here obviously apparently regulates the gas valve down there. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, it's connected to the gas valve. The gas comes into the carburetor. So apparently some critter's been making a nest in here and created a real mess. But since most items on here are solid state, it should still be functional. We'll see. Next, we're going to remove the carburetor. Well, we're going to detach the hoses from the carburetor into the intake chamber. All right, so we've gotten rid of the control panel on the right and the spacer for the air intake. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this hatch on the left-hand side now, uncover probably the exhaust system, so that way we can kind of separate the generator unit from the engine unit. All right, we're going to break here for today. It's getting late and the mosquitoes are out in force. So again, to recap, on the right-hand side, we've got the control panel out. That control panel and the carburetor, well, the mixing device, I should say, the regulator, the fuel regulator. And on the left-hand side, we've dislodged the muffler, dislodged the muffler system. And so tomorrow we'll come back and open up the cover so that way we can expose the generator and the engine.